Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. We're doing our Friday freebie special edition. Yep. We have been working this calendar, and you know what? It's been beautiful every way you go with it. I mean, you know, we had January, put our pocket in, and our girls, and then we had February, and our pocket, and some more writing space. For some reason I thought I needed some, I guess. And our girls, adorableness. Then we had March, haha, super cute. Our pocket, our girls, they both have a chicken. I think the chicken comes back again. I guess you'll see that today. April. Now look, even if you don't want to make a calendar book or a calendar for your wall or your fridge or whatever, our pocket page, you could cut these paper dolls out and have fun with that. I have a gallery wall that I put mine on. You can put them in your journal. You can do all kinds of things. These are awesome. May, we did May. That's just full of pretty. Our pocket page. Our girls. It's just pretty. She looks sassy, I think. And then we're here to June with my bookmark. Another thing you can do with the paper doll. Anyways, June. See the chickens come back. They do. Isn't that pretty though? I mean, wow. And that duck, goose, it's a goose. It is. That one I used in our farm time journal kit. And I get a little chuckle every time I see it. Because, it's, you know, it's got its head turned sideways and all that. So, prettiness. And this is where we're going to put our pocket in a minute. I got to show you the rest of the pages though, right? I mean, you know, just adorable. And we got our girls. That goose. You know, if I were cutting out things and stuff, I'd cut the goose out too. Then there's the piggy here. So don't forget the piggy and the sheep and the ducks. You know. Our other girl. No, we're not going to July. Okay. We've got our writing page. We've got all our things. This is where we're going to put our stacked image pocket that I've got printed out here. So, yeah. We're just going to stack the image right on top, and it'll be great for putting things in. It's just what we do, right? Now, I've got to remember, you know I'm not going to remember. I've got to measure what I did for the other one. I don't know, I always have to. Somebody's going to have to just remind me. Because I wanted them all to be the same size, so yeah, there's that. Okay, 3.5. Why can't I remember that? I don't know. I really don't. So, okay, here we go, 3.5. Because it's 3 inches high for the pocket. So we'll cut it 3.5 to make our, make sure it's straight, to make our, put that away, our gussets and such, you know, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, this is the top, so we're not gonna, you know, now you could leave a little and fold that over if you wanted. I'm not doing that in this book, so I'm not doing that on this one. Okay, I need my bone folder. We're going to do 1/2 inch there, 1/2 inch there, and there. There we go. Done with this. Okay, we're just folding now. Is it that simple and easy? Yes, it is. Yeah, this calendar has been so much fun. I'm doing another one next year. I hope you guys will come along with me for that. But it's been so much fun, and I have one hanging on my gallery wall. I use it when I'm doing my planning. So I've put them to good use, really. And I'm making this because it's, you know, it's pretty. And even if it's, you know, outdated by January of next year, that's okay. I'm okay with that because it's got so many other pages in it till it's like getting a mini journal kit. It will be a vertical one, but yeah, it's, you know, it's just that way. I gotta see where my line is. So I'm just taking this little wedge out as we usually do and getting rid of that because, you know, yeah, do that and that. And find them because I only found one. Where's the other one? Here it is. Okay, now super cute. Now if you wanted to really zhuzh it, you could put some trim across there. I'm not going to do that for this one because I've just been using it as just that little sneaky stacked image pocket. And you know, then you can't tell if it's, until you put something in the pocket. I mean, you know, then there's that. Okay, let's get some tape on this thing and put it on there. But yeah, I have to make another one next year. It's just, I've got so many new paper dolls. And, you know, the new kits that I'm working on, I always come up with new ones. But I also use the other ones. I mean, you know, there's some that you just have to reuse. They're just too cute not to, you know. I mean, they're all cute, but still. Some of them you just, I don't know. They get on my favorites list, I guess, and they just used and reused. Put new clothes on them. They're a new doll, right? I think so. Okay. All right. Yeah, I've used this girl here, her head, in a lot of things. And I've used this guy, well, I've used the body, the little outfit. I've used that in a few different dolls. She's new in this. I've used her in other kits now. She's in the Nature Time. Yep, but she was new to this. She was here before she was there. Yeah, if that makes sense. Yep, that's what I said. Okay, so let's get this on there. We don't lose any of the pretty this way. And this is going to be one of those things that I'm going to keep as a showpiece, you know, to have as a reference. Because, yeah, right? Okay, we're going to line their shoes up first, and then we're going to line their heads up, because that's a thing. They need to be lined up just right. And that fence post will also help us to know if we're straight. Because, yeah, it needs to be straight there, right? Like so. But it's more important that her glasses are straight. Now that's straight and that's straight. We got it. I love doing these, you know, the stacked images. Then, you know, everything that's under here is right here. You don't lose anything. So I'm going to get this one done first because it's in the spine of the thing, right? We're going to tuck that under. Yep, we don't lose anything. The only thing that I would have lost a little bit on is because I put the spiral binding on this, so that I lost a little bit on the edge. But I'm okay with that. It's all good. Let me find something to press this down. My brayer won't really go over here. It's got the things that stick out on the side a little bit. So I'm going to give that some pressure there. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. Make sure you get your edges good. Just a reminder, mostly for me. Just saying. Okay, I'm going to tuck that under, right in there. Even the flowers lined up. Is that cool or what? All right. Super duper cool. Now, there you go. Pocketed page. And it all lines up until you put something in there. Then that, you know, then it's not a secret anymore. Okay? Okay, one more time. Let's go through. It's just too pretty, right? Okay. June. Halfway through the year, guys. We're doing really good with this. Our pocket page. Our writing page. Let me scooch this out of the way. And then our girls. I like that little piggy. Just saying. And then our other girl. So yeah. Yeah, she's in the nature time as well. Sneak peek at July. Nope, don't see that yet. So, okay. So we've got our June, our girls, our pocket page. Absolutely cool. Our writing page. Like I said, you can make this a vertical journal. You could put the calendar part in or leave it out. The calendar is on the same page as the pocket page. So if you didn't want to put the calendar in, you know, you could have just this page and put a pocket or not, whatever you want to do, right? You could fussy cut out the barn and the trees. There's so many things, guys. So let your imagination soar through this beautiful calendar book. So yeah, June, the freebie. It's a freebie, believe it or not. If you're new here, it's a freebie. On the website, the Ko-fi page, the Facebook group page. You can get all of the freebies. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Yep, 5 pages of prettiness for free. Just download them and, you know, stuff like that. So, yeah, get them on those 3 places. You don't have to give me anything or do anything. On the Facebook group page, you do have to join. I keep that private and secure so that it's just for me to give freebies, really. It was an easy way to do that. So, there's that. But yeah, if you want them on there, you go and you join, and I accept you. And then sometimes I'm not on there a lot, so you have to wait for me a day or so. But I will, when I get back on there, accept you in. And then you can go to the files, where it says files, and then just, there's gobs in there if you want more than just the calendar. So, there's that. And on my website, there's tabs at the top, and there's Friday freebies listed. That's where these will be. Each month also has freebies in there. So if you want to peruse and just kind of go window shopping and get stuff for free, there you go. There's that. Okay. All right. I have you know, gone on long enough here. You guys make something pretty. This is easy. This is so easy. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.